Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by reviewing your last 3 roles and writing clear reasons you left each job. Rate your satisfaction in 6 areas from 1 to 5, including pay, growth, people, culture, commute, and work itself. Look for patterns that repeat across roles and write them down in a single document you review weekly. Finally, set a target tenure of 24 months for your next job and state it allowed to commit to a measurable goal. Create a 12-month skills plan that lists 3 specific learning goals tied to your role. Break each goal into monthly tasks and 1 measurable result each quarter you can show managers. Prioritize projects at work that align with your plan and volunteer for stretch assignments that last at least 6 months. Save a financial buffer equal to 3 months of expenses before you pursue changes, and use that security to choose growth over impulsive moves. Craft and practice a 2-minute narrative that explains your past moves and your future commitment to employers. During interviews, state your target of 24 months and emphasize your 12-month skills plan. Once hired, request a documented development plan with milestones every 6 months and ask for quarterly check-ins. Track your tenure and concrete outcomes so your resume shows sustained impact instead of many short stints, and review progress monthly to maintain accountability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.